Hi, Doug McDonald here to show you how to set up and run your contracted billing amounts weekly or monthly or whatever cycle you happen to choose. Let's go ahead and get started. From the main screen, we'll go into Family Data and Accounting and review the contract billing areas on each family. On the account level, we have a billing box up here at the top that shows you a summary of the contract billing that has already been set up for this family. You'll notice on the Adams family we have not yet set up contract billing. The Jones and Smith family actually do have those set up, and I set those up ahead of time to save time. So you'll see if you go into that billing button on the account level, you'll see a summary for whatever type of contract cycle billing that's already been set up, weekly, monthly, whatever cycles you might have. The Smith family has another one, and it's weekly as well. So in the Adams family, to set up the billing, you go to each child record at the bottom. We'll start with Charlie's record and go to his billing box. And we'll be choosing contract cycle for this lesson. And here I need to tell Procare, well, who is going to get charged for this? Since this is private billing, I'm going to bill Thomas Adams' private ledger card. And I'm going to set it up as a weekly tuition charge for tuition pre-K. I'll leave the comment field blank because when we run automatic billing, we'll be able to fill in the comment field with the child's name and make the dollar amount 100. Up at the top left, we're basically telling Procare here to apply this billing to any schedule. Even if the child has no schedule, it will still charge whenever we run the contract cycle weekly. And then you just click Save and Exit. Moving over to Johnny's record, we would do the same thing. And notice that I have a different schedule set up for Johnny for this school year. I could assign this contract billing to just that current schedule, so that next June when he goes to summer school, we might want to create a summer schedule for him next year to charge a different weekly amount based on summer charges. But for right now, we'll set up his normal weekly billing that'll apply to all schedules. And again, it's going to be our standard charge for his age group. Since Johnny is the second child on this account, we're going to go ahead and add a discount line for him as well that will be run at automatic billing, giving him a family discount of 10%. We can achieve that by just putting 10% in the comment column, and when we run our automatic billing, this discount line will compute 10% of the amount of 120, the line directly above it. And then we'll save and exit. Now when we go to the Review Contract Billing Summary button, we'll see the entries we've made for the Adams family, the weekly charges and the discount line for Johnny and the charge for Charlie. Now we'll go ahead and run automatic billing by going to the Functions menu, choosing Family Accounting, Automated Billing Procedures, and Contract Billing. We'll choose our contract cycle weekly, and I'm billing actually for next week, for the 21st of September. So I will want the program to select all children enrolled as of the 21st. Any children not enrolled will not be billed. The post date is the date that we will see in the ledger card for this entry, so I'm going to make that next Monday as well. I'll leave the comment field alone because we'll include the child's name in the comment field the way it is. The word comment in brackets here means simply pick up whatever comment is in the comment box of the billing box for each child. And the amount multiplier means multiply the amount by this number. If we were billing for multiple weeks, we might bill for 2 or 3 weeks at a time, but normally we're billing 1 week at a time, so this multiplier would stay 1. And we'll click Next. On the summary screen here, we'll be able to see the charges that are going to be posted, and we can select either individual charges and credits, or we can click the button on top to select all of them all at once. When I click Post at the bottom, it's going to post all of these charges and payments into the ledger cards associated with these as of September 21st. So we'll go ahead and post it so we can review it. And then we'll exit. And let's review the ledger card for the Adams family so you can see these charges that were just posted. Here are the two charges for the 21st and Charlie's discount, or Johnny's discount rather. So there are the lines posted there. If we go to the Jones family and look at their ledger card, we'll see that charge posted on the 21st as well for Bobby for his tuition, and so on. And that's all there is to it, to setting up and running automatic billing for contracted amounts. Thanks very much for joining us today.